Imagine a tiny insect weighing less than a paperclip embarking on a journey of over 3,000 miles without a map, GPS, or even a memory of the route. Monarch butterflies perform one of nature's most epic migrations, traveling from Canada and the United States all the way to the fir forests of central Mexico. What's truly mind-blowing is that no single butterfly completes the entire round trip. Instead, it takes up to 4 generations, with each new generation continuing the journey their ancestors began months before. Yet, every fall, the final generation somehow finds its way to the exact same forest their great-grandparents visited years earlier. Scientists believe monarchs use a remarkable combination of environmental cues: the sun's position in the sky, Earth's magnetic field, and even inherited genetic instructions encoded in their DNA. Despite never having seen their destination, these butterflies navigate with astonishing precision, guided by instincts honed over millennia. Their migration is a stunning example of nature's complexity, showcasing incredible adaptation and survival strategies. This phenomenon remains one of the most fascinating mysteries in the natural world. Like and subscribe.